Students, welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how mobile phone chargers are made, step by step.
Make sure these copper wires meet our specifications before they go to the line.
Roger that. These plastic pellets look good too.
Transformers play a crucial role in regulating voltage, ensuring your devices receive power safely and efficiently. These transformers play a crucial role in regulating voltage, ensuring your devices receive power safely and efficiently.
Every charger is engineered to deliver safe and stable power.
Each charger is tested to meet international safety standards.
And that's how mobile phone chargers are made. Lichang, dry from start to finish.